Okay, welcome to part 3 of using symbols to create a map. What we're going to be working with now is the symbol sprayer tool, okay? And this tool allows me to spray symbols on my artboard, creating symbol sets. In other words, it puts them all into a group. And this can be very useful, for example, if I wanted to create grass on an artboard, and I could actually save a symbol of single blades of grass, and I could spray them out so you get kind of that more realistic look. So we're going to do is we're going to create a new symbol of this tree here. So I'm going to use my selection tool and select the tree, and again just drag it in. We'll call this tree, and we'll make it a graphic, and we'll click OK. And now you see that I have the tree symbol up here. And so if I go to my symbol sprayer tool, and if I just drag across the board, you'll see that I have the set of trees. Okay, and basically they are all grouped together. So if I went in there and double clicked my symbol sprayer tool and change the diameter to 1 and the intensity to 1 and the symbol set density to 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And it's made some changes here with my tree, but it did it as a group. Another thing I can do is I'm going to go ahead and deselect out of this is I can grab that sprayer tool, and with the tree tool selected, I can actually just click once and create a set of trees like this. And as you notice, this after I deselect it, every time I spray on even with one click, it's putting them into groups. So I can, keep adding trees and as a symbol set. Okay, so what we want to do here is we're going to position the symbol sprayer over the trees that I just created, and again just add a couple more trees. Okay, and then we're going to double click the tree symbol thumbnail in the symbols panel to edit it. So we'll double click, and then we're going to choose select all and double click, and then we're going to double click the scale tool in the tools panel. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a uniform scale of 80%. Okay, and then we're going to click OK. And then with the selection tool, I can just double click away from this artboard. Okay, and then it's made the changes in the editing mode. They've all been updated. Okay, now there's a series of symbolism tools that allow you to edit size, color, rotation, and other instances within a symbol set. So in the next steps, we will edit the trees in the tree symbol using one of the symbolism tools in the tool panel. So I'm just going to click one of the trees in the panel, okay, to select that entire set. And then I'm going to select the symbol sprayer tool, and I'm going to position the pointer over one of the tree symbol instances. And I'm going to press Option on the Mac to get rid and delete the trees in that set. Okay, and I can do that. I can also add another tree, and I can take away a tree. Okay, so this is how you will add and remove symbols within a symbol set. And then I'm going to position the pointer over some of the trees, and I'm going to click the mouse button to increase the size of the trees. So what we're going to do is we'll go to the Option key. I don't want to do the Option key here. So again, we're going to select this set, and what we're going to do next is we're going to go up to the symbol sizer tool, okay? And then we're going to double click on it, and we're going to change the intensity to, let's just do 5, and we'll click OK. And now if I click on the individual trees, you'll notice that I can resize the trees in the group, okay? So that's kind of another neat way to redo the characteristics in a set of symbols. And again, if you go into the tool panel, oops, sorry, I got to get in the selection tool here. Oops, okay, it doesn't want to. Okay, I have a number of different things that I can do here. For example, you have the spinner tool, and you can go in and click on that, and you'll notice I can actually spin the trees around the objects in there. So go ahead and play around with some of the different selections in this sprayer tool, and you can have some fun with that. And another thing too is I've given you 2 other videos on YouTube that explain more details about what you can do with the sprayer tool that aren't included in your chapter. So this is the end of your lesson 13. If you look at the back of your chapter, they also talk about storing and retrieving artwork in the symbols panel, and as a way for you to save your symbols that you've created and access them for different artwork, and also working with Creative Cloud design libraries. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.